Hello, welcome to the final episode of this tree procedural generation guide. So, what we're going to do today is add a seed so we can change how the map looks, but always be able to get the same design, the same map of procedural generation if we like a certain layout. And then what we're also going to do is, if I click play and show you, all the trees just spawn in the top hierarchy. We're going to put this inside the terrain so this stays clean. So we're going to open up our script. Underneath scale, we're going to create a public int seed, and then when we're creating our parent value, we're going to add the seed to the x and y value. Then down here, for our instantiate, we're going to call this game object, and we're going to give it a name, tree, and we're going to say equals the instantiate. And then we're going to say tree dot transform dot set parent, and we're going to pass in the game object of this script, which is a terrain. And we're going to make sure it's a transform too. So save that, go back into Unity, and now you have a seed that you can enter. So I'm going to type 105, click play. As you can see, all the trees now spawn inside terrain. And if I change the seed to 104, you'll see that it's a different generation. So there we go. Now if I change it back to 105, it should be the same generation as before. So there we go, the same. So that's the end of this simple tutorial guide. It was a short video, it was just cleaning up what was missing. If you have any questions, just get in touch on my Discord server or leave a comment and I'll do my best to help.